Hey Jesse, it's Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for reaching out to me today and for accepting this free video. So today I'm going to walk you through a couple strategies that you can start applying right away, and it is going to make a big difference in your business. Right now, you really don't have any organic traffic coming to your website. So that means you're missing out on majority of people that are actually searching for the services that you offer. Okay. And so the strategies that I'm about to show you that you can start working on are the same strategies that we've used with many other contractors and restoration companies across the US, and it's made a huge impact in their business. So it's important to understand that when it comes to ranking on Google, content is key. Okay. And so while we do need a lot of content, we need the right types of content as well. So you really do need a separate page for each of the major services. So I understand that you're doing custom signs, but the different types of custom signs that you do should ultimately have its own page. Let me look here. So here you have storefront signs, um, vinyl window and wall graphics, fleet and vehicle decals. I don't know if you're just doing the decals or if you're also doing vehicle wraps, but if you're doing wraps, those would need those own pages as well. And so you have a different categories of signs, and so you really need to have a separate page for each of those categories. And then each of those pages should talk everything about the topic for those type of signs. Sizes, the process that you go through, the different types of, materials, how long they last, just all the kind of questions that your customers ask, you need to be answering on those pages. And then you need to focus that around the keywords that people are actually searching for those services, okay? When you have that specific content like that and those specific pages, it shows you as an expert. Okay, it shows that you have experience and authority. So Google has, over the last 18 months, has gone through a ton of changes when it comes to how they rank websites. So it's really important that websites are mobile first. That means click to call phone numbers. Here you show a phone number, but when you click it, it actually takes us to a contact page. Okay, so this is not click to call. We've also found that when you have a click to call phone number and a form at the top of your page, it does increase conversions by nearly 70%. Okay, so you definitely want to have a form up here. You want click to call phone numbers. Customers do not search for information, so if it's not readily available to them, they're going to leave your page and go somewhere else. So definitely want to focus on those as well. Ease of use, and then Google's over the last 18 months have gone to something called EEAT, and that is showing your experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. And so those factors need to be built into all of the content that you're writing. Really showcasing who you are, what you guys are about. You really need to have a good about page, about the company, about you guys, why you're doing this, all of those things to really showcase those items, okay? And then you want to make sure that all images throughout your website are properly optimized with the local keywords. So let's check out this one. It's taking a minute here. Post and panel sign. Okay, so that's not too bad. But we do want local keywords, so it could be like Chico custom signs Chico. People search differently, so you want to definitely go after those local keywords. And then the areas that you're going to serve, right? So if you're going to be serving just Butte County, you might be okay staying with Chico, but I would probably have a Chico and Oroville and a couple of those pages. If you want people to be coming to you from different areas, you're going to want those different service area pages because Google is very proximity based. Okay, so when somebody does a search in, I don't know, Paradise, right? And does a search for custom signs, if you want to show up on Paradise, you need that page. Otherwise, Google is going to just show the most local business that's closest to the person searching. So those service area pages are important for that proximity. And then just really making sure that you have good quality content. It's not really generic. It's really helpful content that helps your customers. It's focused on the local keywords because Google sends crawlers to your website that go and index your pages and keywords. And it scans all of your images and written content to learn about your business. Who are you guys? What do you offer? And where do you offer these services? So when you don't have that type of content, you don't have those keywords, there's nothing for Google to truly understand what you guys are about. So they can't send anybody to your website. So having a really good content and keyword strategy is one of the biggest factors for you guys here. Okay. Now, if we look at a couple of your top competitors, I would say LRT is probably your biggest competitor in the Chico area. Their website isn't fantastic, but they do have click-to-call phone numbers. They do have separate pages for the different types of products that they offer. Okay. You can see they have a lot more written content. And so we always need more content than our competitors. Generally, the rule of thumb is we want at least 1,500 words or more. But if the competitors have 1,500 words, you'll want more. These guys definitely don't have 1,500 on this page, but you will need more content than they have. But you can see they have, for vehicle graphics, they have these options. All of these are separate pages. Signage, they have all these separate pages. So it's allowing them, by having the extra pages, it's allowing them to have more content. I am kind of surprised they offer website design and SEO based on this website. It's kind of funny. But anyways, they have these pages, okay? And so that allows them to have more content, to really focus on keywords and to get ranked for those so they can bring people to their site. And then the other one was this called 𝑵𝒐𝒓𝒕𝒉 Signs. And they have a decent website as well, separate pages for their services. Really don't have any true SEO going on. Very limited information here. Okay, so they've just been around a long time. So that's one of their biggest advantages. Okay. So when it comes to Google and people search it, we know they'll do a search like this. And when they do, there is 3 main spots your website has a good opportunity to be in top positions for. The first are generally going to be ads, which can be lucrative as long as you have your processes dialed in. Okay. That means how you set up these ad accounts. I know that you have an ad running here, but you can see a big difference here between how LRT Graphics has their cost per click ads and how your ad is. See how it's just very basic information. There's really nothing here. And these guys have the different categories. They have got images and everything. So they've got their ads dialed in a little bit better. And also, what both of you guys are doing wrong is you're sending people back to your main page. So when you run cost per click ads, you actually need separate landing pages for each of the types of ads you're running. So if you were going to do an ad on vehicle wraps, you'd have a special landing page for that. If you were going to do a construction job site sign, you'd need a separate page for that. Okay. Having designated landing pages helps with conversions when people do land on those. Okay. Now, with ads, you only get jobs and leads when you're paying an ad spend. So these other areas are even more critical because they don't require ad spend. So this is your Google Business Profile, Google Map Pack, okay? This area is really important because 30% of people come straight to the maps and don't search anywhere else. So when your website and your profile is not showing up right here, you guys are losing out on potentially 30% of your jobs every month. So in order for your profile to get optimized and come up here, you do have to further optimize that profile. Making sure you have the right categories, really work on getting more of those reviews. But ultimately, the biggest factor right here is something called citations. That's simply listing the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and placing those in a bunch of directories like the Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's, House, Glassdoor, and even having all of those top social media profiles. Okay, all of those are really critical citations to have, and having more of those than your competition gives you a really good boost here in the map pack. Okay. And then third, this is the organic section. This is where 60 to 70% of people search. They'll skip the ads and the maps and they come right here. So it is absolutely critical that your website does show up here. And when it doesn't, again, you're losing 60 to 70% of the available jobs coming in. So in order for your website to show up here, it comes back to the foundation of this website. Do you have the right content and keyword strategy? And then are you supporting that with a local SEO backlinking strategy? Okay. So this is Ahrefs, a paid tool we use to analyze how your website is performing. And we can see here you guys have a rating of a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow. So Google doesn't trust your website. And that is because of the power you're sending to your website. Okay. Your website is a really powerful tool. And we power up websites with backlinks. So a backlink is just a physical link coming from another website and pointing it back to your website. And that backlink gets power from that other website. Okay. And it helps power up your website, but not all backlinks are created equal. We only want good quality. Do follow links that are closely related to the types of services that you're offering. Okay. And so even though you could go out and try and get something from Burger King or Pizza Hut and they're really high ranking websites, because you don't serve food, it would actually do more harm than good. So we only want to go after the relevant links, and we need more than our competitors. And as you do that, but we only want to go after the good ones our competitors have, okay, not the spammy ones. So the more of those that you get, the higher this score gets. And Google trusts your website more. It's going to promote and help you to rank. And it's going to help you to rank for keywords once you have a content keyword strategy. So you can see right now you don't have any keywords indexed. You're not getting any traffic to your website organically. You are getting a little bit of traffic from your paid ads. If we look at LRT, they have a rating of a 28, but they have 109,000 backlinks. So almost all of these are spam. Okay, you only get credit for one backlink per referring domain, which means they should not have much more than 49 backlinks based on these referring domains. Okay, so you're not going to go after and chase 109,000 backlinks. You're just going to look at the good quality links, duplicate those, and do better. Okay. They've been indexed for a couple keywords and they're getting 71 people to their website organically. And so organic means through a search and they're not typing in the website. Okay. And if we look at the keywords, they have a few that they are ranking for. They're ranking for billboards. And not a whole lot here. So these two companies are basically showing up because they have more of the content and the keywords. Okay. You putting these strategies together, these guys are going to be super easy for you to beat. Okay. So I hope that you found this information to be helpful. Please reach out with any questions that you might have. And I look forward to hearing from you soon.